We'll guide you through how to install fonts from DaFont to Adobe Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To install fonts from DaFont for use in Adobe Premiere Pro, begin by opening the Chrome browser. You can do this by right-clicking the Chrome icon on your desktop and selecting Open. Once the browser is running, click on the Google search bar at the top of the page and type DaFont, then press Enter on your keyboard. When the search results appear, click the first result labeled DaFont with the address www.dafont.com to open the website. If you do not have an account on the site yet, click the Register option first. A registration form will appear where you need to enter a username. After typing your preferred username, enter your email address, and then click Register to continue. The website will automatically send your login information to the email address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for the message containing your DaFont account information. Inside the email, you will see your username and password. Highlight the username and copy it using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. After copying the username, go back to the DaFont website and paste the username into the login field using Ctrl+V. Next, return to your email message again, highlight the password provided in the email, and copy it using Ctrl+C. Go back to the DaFont website once more and paste the password into the password field using Ctrl+V. After both fields are filled correctly, click the Login button to sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click the New Fonts menu to view the latest fonts available on the site. Scroll down through the list to choose the font you want to download. When you find a font you like, click the Download button to download it for free. After the download is finished, click the download icon in the top right corner of the browser. Then select Show in Folder to locate the file on your computer. In the folder, right-click the downloaded file, choose Extract All, and then click Extract to unpack the font files. After the extraction process is complete, right-click the extracted font file and click Install. Once installed, the font will automatically be added and available for use inside Adobe Premiere Pro.